You don't need a camera, a crew, or a single reshoot to grow your YouTube channel past 40. Just an AI avatar and a script. I know because I used to dread filming. Setting up lights, fumbling with the camera, recording take after take. It was exhausting. Then I found BIGVU's AI Avatar Video Maker. I write my script, pick an avatar, or use my own AI twin cloned from my face and voice, and hit generate. The tool adds B-rolls, subtitles, background music, even eye contact correction. Automatically, the video looks studio quality. No crew, no reshoots, no editing rabbit holes, and it publishes in 30+ languages, so my content reaches audiences I never could before. I'm putting out more videos now than I ever did behind the camera. Consistently. That's the part that actually grows a channel. If you're over 40 and tired of filming holding you back, go try BIGVU today. The link is right below.